Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And if you're into Huck's World, and the Monday grind is finally over for some of us. For the rest of you all who are still grinding, continue to grind hard. And yes, people, it will be over with soon. Now we got a freebie alert for you all to check out, and I'm telling you, Prado gets down on some watch faces. For those of you all who don't know him, have never seen his work, go into the Gear Manager store, check out his lineup. This guy will not disappoint. Prado Design is opening up the door for us to be able to download this watch face that you see in front of you for 2 days, people. 2 days only, for the 30th and the 31st of October. Bruno, thank you for the donation. Thank you for the freebie. We appreciate you on the channel for all the love and the support that you have given thus far. Thank you, Bruno. All right, you all, make sure you don't forget, share this with family and friends and others. And with that, let's have a look at this watch face. Now, the name of it is called Mechanical Rotate. It's a very nice looking, very unique watch face. It's a dress down watch face as well, which means you can wear this with pretty much any casual wear. You can consider this watch face to actually be a work week watch face. But let's take a look at it. In always on mode, you're pretty much going to get this lumen color. You'll still get the same design, which in my opinion is a good look. And once the watch face is on, I like the look of it. I like that it's going to be an energy saving watch face for the most part. It looks good. And what you're going to get at the top is where you got the rotation going on, which is seconds, and also your minutes rotate as well. You can tell right here, that's the hour, 5:55 it is. You get a PM stamp at the top. You get your steps right up under it, and you get to the left, the day of the week, and to the right, you'll get your actual day. And he's giving us shortcuts that we all need and use. One would be your weather, which is my favorite. And then my second favorite would be my music. And then I can make a phone call. I'm not going to go into that. And also I could go into my settings, people. Down at the bottom, you're going to get your battery percentage. So I thought the balance of all the things that he laid out in his watch face was actually perfect. It has a great look for casual wear. This is definitely on point. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Now, remember, people, remember, 2 days only. Share this info with everyone so they can enjoy a free watch face as well. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.